going on, people? How's everybody doing today? Let's go. What's up? What's up? Give me 1 second. Let me set my stuff up right quick. Make sure I'm doing this correctly. Make sure I'm doing this correctly. Edit post. Should be good. Should be good. Should be good. What's good? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing today? Hello, Nora. Thank you for watching. Hello, Mr. Russ. How you doing, sir? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I just wanna go on go live right quick. I want to share some videos with you guys. I saw this video on YouTube, and I definitely want to share it. Add to stage. Remove this one. Add to stage, and let's watch this video right quick, okay?
It's the market flashing red alert. Demand for immediate metal has overwhelmed supply, and the reset isn't coming. It's already begun. Silver's been like a runner stuck at the starting line for, frankly, over 200 years. Since 1802, it's formed three cup patterns, each time trying to break out above that 50, but then held back. Well, now the runner just crossed the finish line. After 45 years under a resistance level, silver sprinted past that $50 an ounce, and that's a very big deal. Now, some call for 400, but even that doesn't really reflect silver's true fundamental value, frankly, as sound money that holds your purchasing power intact. It'll express to that. But unlike paper dollars, quite honestly, silver is real. It's limited. It's trusted. And frankly, it's a diminishing asset since it gets used up in manufacturing. And now that it's broken free, the race for the physical metal is on. Backwardation. We have to talk about this because what that means, very simply put, is that today's price, the spot market, is higher than the price in the future, which is unusual. It's like an inversion. In fact, it is like an inverted yield curve, and that is a signal that something unusual is happening. It's changing. Because normally futures cost more due to storage, insurance, financing, et cetera, et cetera. That's called contago. But when people pay more to get silver now than later, that's a sign of urgency and scarcity. So big backwardation doesn't happen by accident. It's the market's way of flashing an SOS. It means something serious is happening beneath the surface. Frankly, something that can't and shouldn't be ignored. Because when spot leads and futures lag, it's a sign that paper pricing is losing control. And that's really the biggest part of the U.S. market. And it didn't just start, it started last January. And so backwardation shows up, especially when as large as silver's current $2.88 gap. That's huge. It's the market flashing red alert. And what is it saying? Demand for immediate metal has overwhelmed supply. And something big is shifting in how silver's price is being discovered. You know, the paper markets, that's a trading market. Yeah, well, that's shifting, and you better get on board. Because when the futures curve flips this hard, it usually means three things. Supply is under stress. Demand for physical silver is surging. and price discovery is breaking down. Now, we're talking about the paper price discovery, and frankly, that's true on every single asset. It hasn't been true supply and demand dynamics that have discovered price. It's been trading, because we need to make sure that banks make a profit. But more about that on another day, because any one of these three would matter. But all three together, let me tell you, that's a signal. A reset is coming in how silver and gold, frankly, are going to be priced. Buyers are paying extra for same-day delivery because they can't afford to wait, and they don't trust that the metal's going to be there when they're ready for it. So today's $2.88 backwardation gap, that's why it's a red alert. It shows that demand for immediate delivery has overwhelmed available supply. Well, who's buying? Well, you got to look at the industrial buyers. This is the point of the broadest base of buyer and why it's used in every single sector of the global economy. So we'll look at the industrial buyers, solar, EV, electronics, and more. They can't delay. They're searching for metal. Inventories are draining faster than mines can refill them, and pressure is building right across the board. LBMA's grade bars are scarce. Warehouses can't move metal fast enough. The logistics system is out of sync with demand, and premiums are rising for physical delivery. For decades, COMEX futures controlled silver's price. Paper trade suppressing real rallies because they can create as much silver and gold, for that matter, as they want to in these paper contracts if they never have to make delivery. But not anymore. Now that backwardation shows physical buyers are in charge. Real supply and demand are setting the price. And each dollar of backwardation marks a shift in power from paper speculation to physical reality. Perhaps that's why you're seeing such a big hit that just recently took place with both gold and silver, because a rising gold and silver price are an indication of a failing fiat currency. But silver is no longer just an industrial metal. It's behaving like, sound money. And the world is waking up. The squeeze is on. And the reset isn't coming. It's already begun. Now is the time to get physical metals, sound money, gold and silver back in the system. Must be redeemable. Must be. Let's come together in global community and make this happen. And not for us, but for the future generations. We have to do this, and I know that together we can. One person can't, but 3% of 8.4 billion people, we can do this. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share. The more people that understand what's going on, the more people we can get on the sound money movement.
All right. The reason I share videos like that, because I can't explain it well myself, and I like to share videos because the way I talk is kind of funny, but they be able to put the point across better than I can. And the point is, invest in silver, because silver is gonna go up regardless. You can scan this QR code up here and get more information about it. Or you can go right here on the bottom, freesilvertour.com, and get yourself a free silver bar. I'm going to go ahead and play another video for you guys, so give me 1 second.
Plus, we are a precious metals company that provides people with the 4 keys to unlock the wealthy life. Our platform enables people, just like you, to automatically gain and protect their wealth in an accelerated way. How? By combining beautiful pure silver and golden bullion assets with a proven income generating system designed in a way never done before, all with the focus of helping anyone accumulate wealth and capitalize quickly. We are currently expanding and have positions available for those who recognize what it means to have a first mover advantage in a program that is growing phenomenally. Before we continue, we want you to be relaxed in knowing that you can participate as a preferred customer with no membership fees, or, as we'll discuss in the fourth key, you can secure a lucrative ambassador position for very little out of pocket to leverage our wealth platform. So, are you ready to be given the 4 keys that unlock the secrets to the wealthy life? Of course you are. So listen close. The first key to the wealthy life is wealth building precious metal assets. That's right. Something as simple as pure silver and gold is the foundation to gaining and maintaining wealth. The second key is automatic wealth building. When you make something happen automatically, you'll succeed. The third key is making the world a better place, to feel like you actually make a real difference. And the fourth key, you need to have a simple income generating system that creates leveraged residual income for you automatically. We have all of that for you here at Quicksilver. Learn more about these 4 keys and how we can help you achieve them by continuing to the next video.
Hi, and welcome to Quicksilver Plus. Throughout history, silver and gold have been used to gain and preserve wealth. It's a fact that silver and gold have historically gained in value at a rate that has far exceeded nearly every other option over time. That's why the first key to the wealthy life is wealth-building precious metal assets. Something as simple as pure silver and gold is the foundation to gaining and maintaining wealth. You see, during the financial crisis of 2008, people lost an average of 40% of the value of their retirement plans, whereas precious metals during the same time tripled in value. Today, we are seeing the same indicators of the next crash on the horizon. That's why it is so important to diversify into precious metals. Not just any precious metals, but beautiful 99.9% pure silver and gold, putting a diversity of wealth-building assets right into the palm of your hands. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. So to make it simple and effective with Quicksilver, you'll enjoy achieving the second key to the wealthy life with automatic delivery of silver and or gold each month in a quantity tailored to fit your budget. We call it Auto Wealth Delivery. You'll be surprised how fast you'll stack up a nest egg of precious metals in a relatively short period of time through our Auto Wealth Delivery program that of course has no long-term commitment. Whatever you decide to do, whether it's to become a preferred customer or to take it to the next level and become a wealth ambassador, we encourage you to get started down on one of our proven paths today. Your future self will thank you for it. To discover more details on the remaining keys to the wealthy life, continue to the next video.
All right. Now, I'm going to share not another video, but I'm going to try to share this right here. Let me sure I'm doing this right. Where you at? At the stage. Remove. Boom, boom. At the stage. Okay. As you can see the trend from here, from down here, I came over here, took a dive, and he bounced right back up again. Now, it went all-time high last week for 56, and then it came back down, and you see right here, we got a little price correction here on this side. So I believe within time, it's going to go up. But with so much crazy stuff is going on right now with the war and a lot of stuff going on. There's a price adjustment going on. You can check out, see, I'm doing this correct. Yeah. You can even check out ATMEX, 48.92 year to date. Let's go year to date. See how it continues to go up. Continuously go up. Over here, it took a little dive on October 16 to today. I'm gonna click right here on this button here. It says US dollar, and it tells me, if you guys can see the little blue line, it tells me the US dollar has decreased in value. Okay, is negative 9.84 while silver is 80.10 up. And it's going to today. Today is negative 8.72, and silver is up 67.36%. Now, if that doesn't tell you to invest in silver, I don't know what else to tell you. I started investing in silver because I think it's the right thing I can do for my future, because it's like it's a compounding effect, because it's going to continue getting up and higher and higher and higher. And that's the main reason I did that. I'm not going to make this video too long, but I just want to do a quick shout out to Nora, the Stock Explorer. Check her out on YouTube. She's awesome. I want to do a quick shout out to Alex Ayala. He gave me this badass shirt right here from Playa PR. Check it out. It's freaking awesome. It feels good. I'm doing a shout out to David. David, thank you so much for watching. Russ, thank you so much for watching. Joey, thank you so much for watching. Now, since I got plenty of people here, I tried to do a giveaway last week. Nobody showed up, but I'm gonna continue making videos. I'm have something planned going on, but please continue to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the bell notification, because I'm gonna start giving some prizes for people that show up. So thank you so much for showing up, everybody. I'm not gonna be too long. Nora's about to go live, so I want to join her live as well. So people, thank you very much. Invest on silver, invest in your future, do your research, and get yourself educated, okay? Because it's going up. Oh, check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh, that's cool. I got some dog tags coming for freesilvertool.com and all that. If you want a dog tag, let me know. I'll hook you up. If you want one of these or Nora's, it's pretty cool. Check out the back. They're pretty cool. She gave me this the other day. I got mine as well right here. I used to fly airplanes. I can't fly no more because I ended up having a seizure, and the FAA denied my 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 flying license. So it kind of sucks. But that's another story for another day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.